All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be washing and putting some ceramic coat on my mom's car. I think you've already seen me use this in quite a few of my other videos. I really like this stuff. There is no more wax on, wax off. You just use this ceramic coating. So along with this, I'm going to show you some of the other stuff that I'm going to use. I have turtle wax. It's called Slick and Slide. I'm going to put all this stuff I'm using down in the description. I have a couple microfiber towels. And you can use something like this just to wash your car with. I'm going to use this brush for most of it, and I'll probably use that for some of the spots that are a little bit harder to get to. And I have a little brush right here to try to get in the rims better. And I'm going to use my foam cannon. Now this should work on pretty much any pressure washer out there. And then I have my pressure washer. Now I'm thinking this is probably going to only take me 20 to 30 minutes to put this ceramic coating on this car. Compared to back in the day when you would wax it, it would take you a couple hours. That's why I think this stuff is definitely awesome. So let me get to washing my mom's car, and then I will show you how I put this ceramic coat on. All right, first I want to show you how much her hood is not beating up. This is what it looks like before. All right, first thing I like to do when I'm washing a car is I like to try to spray some of the dirt off. Does smell good. I'm gonna have to wash your front a couple times there because there's bugs all over it. See that freaking foam sprayer? It's pretty cool. Just one little squirt, you got foam everywhere.
Where do you get that at?
I ordered it off the internet. Yeah, I like this brush. I can do most of it with this. I'm not gonna be a professional detailer. Geez, they might do everything by hand, but I don't.
I still gotta wash my car.
She don't wash my truck, Mom. You need to move somewhere where there's not so many bugs, Mom. I heard the gypsy monster. That's probably part of the Build Back Better plan. Kill all the trees and then we can get new ones. See that? We're building back better. I don't know where the better starts, but it's going to be better. That's what that goofball in charge is saying. We just don't understand. Corner, it was all bent. Looks good still, huh? You can watch my video where I fixed the corner of her car because the deer ran into it. Maybe after I get this done, my mom will raise my allowance. Ha! I got finished washing it and I dried off the car. All right, I think the next part's gonna be maybe even easier than washing it. Make sure you stay hydrated. This is how I do the ceramic coat. Now, it says on the bottle that you can put 2 coats of this on. So maybe do one coat and maybe one a couple hours later, or maybe do another one the next day. I normally only ever end up doing like, I'll do 1 coat on the whole car, and then maybe sometimes I will come back and do the hood and the roof a second time. Let me do half of this hood and then I'll do the other half. This is all I do. Just spray a little bit of that on And use your one cloth to wipe it in. It almost seems like you're doing nothing. Oh, now my bottle ain't gonna sit there. Then I'll take my other cloth and just go over it a second time. And I'll show you how good this hood beads up here at the end when it's nice and dry. All right, that's all I'm gonna do to the whole entire car. So let me get this done and I'll show you how good this hood beads up. All right, let me show you real quick on how good the car is gonna bead up now after I put that ceramic coating on. There, that looks better. All right, now I gotta dry your car back off. Huh. Amazing. I know I'm amazing. Yeah, I don't know if anybody waxes anymore or not. How many people that know about that stuff? No way, I would wax. It would take me, remember how long it used to take to wax? Gosh, you'd be there for hours. All right, well that's it. That's how I wash and protect my car for the entire year. I just use that ceramic coat, and I'll put some of that down in the description. How do you like your car, Mom? Does it look a lot better?
Absolutely. It looks fantastic.
Fantastic. All right, well, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. God bless and have a great summer.